All right, maybe one of you guys can help me here. I'm trying to put these valve seals in. I got the spring compressed. And the keepers are in here, shielded by this retainer. And I can't get this fucking retainer to go down. I've tapped it with a punch. I tried using a smaller diameter piece here to push on it, but I didn't want to bend the valve, so I didn't put a whole lot of pressure on it. So if you guys know how to get that out, so I can get them keepers out, let me know. Thanks. Alright, I fucking got it. So, I put this little one back on here again. That's pretty much just the diameter of that piece I need to get out. And I cranked the fuck out of it. I kept tapping the end of this thing. And finally let go. So, hopefully I can get these keepers out of here and change these fucking seals. Stay tuned. So, it's looking a whole lot like these valve seals aren't going to work out for me. Which is bullshit. To use these, you must have to machine this down because they're pretty much the same diameter. There's no way to get this guy on that guy. I can see I tried. I don't want to fuck it up, but son of a bitch. So I guess we'll order something else and see what happens. I did find an umbrella seal. Pretty rough shape. That's the only one that has one. So this thing probably burnt a fair amount of oil, which, yeah, we got a little build up on the valve there, bud. So I guess to be continued again.